Hey YouTube, coming at you live from the driveway here. I got the boys, we got Lincoln and Bogey here, and we got my new to me, we'll call it, log skidder that I picked up. This is a 1966 Tree Farmer C5. It's a cable machine, as you can see here, big winch on the back. And this machine has a 353 Detroit two-stroke diesel that powers it. It's a really common motor in the old log skidders. As far as that's concerned, I am looking forward to the machine. It should work very well for all the hills and slopes and stuff that we have. I have the tractor, but even putting a winch on the back of the tractor, one of the 3-point winches, I don't think it would be able to climb the hills. Not because of lack of power, just because of the traction factor. So I'm confident this will do what I need it to do though. So should be a good time this next year. Hey, bud. I'm gonna give you guys an inside look here. You can see some of the features that 1966 gave the loggers inside their skidders. The black dog here is 80 pounds. If that gives you a size reference to this guy. He's about 180, 175, 180, somewhere in there. And Goonie, our house dog, she's eating him. Alright, so some of our creature comforts here are a ventilated enclosure. Up there, that can, I believe that's our diesel particulate filter. I'm still trying to figure out where to put the DEF fluid. The power steering lever, hydraulic steering, and yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. I need to move ahead just up here so I can get to the opposite side over there where the solenoid is. This is the computer for the machine. There we go. I think the boys like it. So today I'm going to just do a battery and a solenoid, nothing big. I'll see how that goes. Alright, so this is the hood latch. I want to make sure that I get this latched when I'm done. I don't want the hood flying up when I hit 70 on the highway. So there she is. So this is a solenoid right here. And this is what has gone bad. So it kind of works sometimes. Other times you have to jump it. So I'm just going to replace the solenoid because I can't turn it off with the ignition. I have to drown it out or dry it out with no fuel. Thanks for watching. Have a good New Year.